Hello everyone, I am Laura from BIM Object Italy and today I am here to introduce wall protection products of Styla. From Revit software there is the integrated app to reach the BIM Object Cloud. We can type the name of the brand in the free search tool. We start with the product bumper handrail BH140. In the main page, we can see some product pictures and general description of this wall protection. Then we can find the specification and links where we can connect directly to the company website and see further information. We also have classifications, region, which is the list of the market where this product is available, and a property set. Under the images, we have 3 buttons. The heart is to add the product to the favorite list, while we press this one to see the preview of the 3D model. We can select different options like color or end type, and we can see different configuration. We can use these buttons if we want to follow the company or if we need to contact Styla. Now we are sure we would like to try this product in our project, we press download and we select the Revit file. The BIM Object Revit app automatically downloads and opens the file in our software. In the type property box, we can see the properties and wall protection types, which we can modify. Now we can see the 3D view of product bumper handrail BH140 and corner guard CG75. Since all BIM objects are connected to the cloud, we can always check for updates, extended properties, and go back to the product page through the BIM Object app. It's all for today. If you need some help, feel free to contact both BIM Object and Styla company. You're welcome to test those files inside your latest project. Looking forward to the next video.